Meet Susan. Susan is your typical office worker. She uses her computer all day to communicate with customers, enter sales information, and crunch numbers for her boss. And when her computer crashes, it brings everything to a grinding halt. Susan never stresses about computer troubles. Why? She knows her computer support company starts working on any issue she has within minutes. All Susan does is pick up the phone and call her technology services team. She likes the fact that a real person answers her call. She's not forced to fill in some form online or send an email and hope and pray that someone gets back to her soon. She gets to talk to a real person, and presto, her help desk has already started working on the problem. And soon, Susan will be back at work. Not feeling the love like Susan does for your technology services company? Put an end to that today. Call the number below and get started with awesome computer services.